Guys, good morning. So I'm here in Maniwaya Island. So I'm here at Wawis Beach. Okay, tara. Samahan niyo ako guys.
Welcome to Girasoles Farm.
Hi guys. So dito kami ngayon sa Jollibee Junction. Tagaantay kami ng van namin, Port Misap, going to Maniwaya Beach Island.
Joiner
So this is a joiner tour.
for 3 days.
So 3 days and 2 nights to. So hinihintay lang namin yung van namin. Nissan Premium van. So sana maganda yung magpwestuhan nating para makatulog tayo ng maayos mamaya. Okay. Hi guys. Tara, sakay na tayo sa van mga guys. So it's a new evening, it's a new trip. Sakay na tayo sa van.
Okay.
Ito yung ating joiner van. Junction ko yan, layo ah. Wala sir eh, bukod pa ako eh. Sa ulo ko, dalawa. Sa ulo sa akin. Hi guys, so ito yung first stop namin. Dito kami sa may Petron. So itong Petron na to, part siya ng
Saan tong lugar?
kilometer 44 southbound. So ano to?
SLEX.
SLEX going to Calamba. So ito yung first stop namin. So 30 minutes lang kami dito. Natambay kasi pwedeng kumain, pwedeng magkape. Patulog na sana kami ni Malalabs eh. Kaso hindi kami nag-stop over dito.
Okay.
So ano na pala ngayon guys, it's around 1:26 AM. So it's April 2, Thursday na. Thursday, Huwebes Santo. Yes, Huwebes Santo na ngayon. So, guys, abangan nyo yung namin, yung on the way namin. So, tingnan natin kung ilang oras kami makakarating sa Maniwaya. Okay? Bye, guys. Good morning, guys. It's a new day na. So nandito na kami. Finally, nandito na kami sa port area going to Maniwaya Island. So, hintay lang namin yung
sa mismong port.
Yep, hindi siya sa mismong port pero mukhang low tide. malapit na park. Ang dami pwede pick-up. Guys, yung sana. Mini siya pero kulay itim siya. Ayun, malinaw din naman yung tubig. Ganda rin naman. Guys, good morning. So I'm here in Maniwaya Island. So I'm here at Wawis Beach. Okay, tara. Samahan nyo ako, guys. Teka lang. Sound check muna tayo, guys. Paglapag, sound check. Ayan. Pino siya, guys. Pino. Tara. Cut natin. So at exact 9 AM nakarating kami dito sa island. Hintayin lang namin kasi nag-ano kami.
Punta ka dun sa Maniwaya.
Mukha kami ng kubo. Ang dami na palang tundahan dito. Tampak to. Narindos. Maganda na po ito.
Ayan na. Ayan na lang.
Wow! Kapakan.
Ako na.
Kararating lang namin dito sa island. Then waiting lang kami doon sa allocated kubo para sa accommodation namin.
Pero yung itong tour na to, meron siyang kasamang tent.
Yup. Inclusive na yung tent dito. Yan. Yan yung tsura ng tent. Yan. Pero kung mag-upgrade,
May mga din sila.
ayun yung mga kubo niya.
Mamaya mo na i-video yung mga. Ito yung kubo room.
Check out the kubo. Dito kami nakamo. Dito kami naka-check-in.
Okay. With electric fan.
So sa halagang
2,000.
per night.
Pwede na.
Hi guys! Yung so nakasettle daw na kami sa kubo accommodation namin. So yung kubo accommodation namin is around 2,000 per night. Pinabook namin to in advance. So hindi namin inavail yung tent na inclusive dun sa package namin, tour package. By the way, joiner pala kami dito. Then as of now, As of 11:42, waiting lang kami dun sa island hopping namin. So, yung island hopping namin, tatagal siguro siya ng mga around 4 hours. Yan, siguro mga estimated is around 12 to 3 p.m. So, I'm not sure kung ano yung mga pupunta namin. Pero, explore natin itong Maniwaya. And after that, ano na rin pala kami, late lunch na rin ang mangyayari sa amin. So parang simultaneous mag-island hopping na kami, then going to lunch kami. Check ko lang kung pack-up lunch kami or late na kami darating dito for lunch. So guys, papakita ko pala dito yung hall nila, yung parang pavilion hall. Dito sinaserve yung mga pagkain, parang naka-buffet style lang. Kasi nga madaming guests ngayon. Kanina nung pagtingin ko doon sa may parking lot ng van bago kami mag-cross ng island is around estimated hindi bababa siguro sa 10 na van yung dumating kanina. So napakadaming guests ngayon. So Huwebes Santo ngayon, expected naman to dahil summer and jump pack ang vacation view ngayon. So talaga madaming taong talaga, maraming turista. So yun lang guys. Ayan, papakita ko lang sa inyo yung Maniwaya. Ito, yung itsura niya at sunny. Yan, tirik na tirik yung araw. Yan, gustoso. Ano yan? White sand and emerald green yung dagat. Yan, ganyan kaganda. Yan. So, sige guys, explore lang natin. Check natin kung gaano ganda ang Maniwaya at kung may mga nabago kasi this is our second time here ni Malalabs. Check natin again. Okay? Bye guys!
Alright guys, wait lang po natin yung iba pang tinatawag, then mag-orient na po kami before island hopping. Guys, yung mga nasa likod, lapit po kayo para marinig nyo po ako. Alright guys, good afternoon everyone. My name is Daniela, your tour coordinator for this Maniwaya trip. This is Andrea. She is also your tour coordinator. So in this island hopping activity guys, we will go into 3 places. One is Palad Sandbar, snorkeling area, and Ungab Rock Formation. Regarding to that island hopping activity, you won't have to pay anything already because we already asked you for exclusions, right? If you guys can remember that one. Alright, so in Palad Sandbar, what you will see is the sandbar. It's actually sandbar. In snorkeling area, we will have a snorkeling activity where you will also get a free use of goggles. You also paid for it as well. And included in the exclusions, I mean. In Ungab Rock Formation, where it is also located in Mongpong, you will see the Mongpong Rock Formation in that area. So every time that we will go down go down in our boat, we will take a group photo, okay? And then after that, you guys can enjoy and do your thing. All right? Any concerns? Any clarifications? Just ask the 2 of us, okay? And if you want assistance to take you photos, don't hesitate to call us, okay? Any questions? Clarifications?
How long
And also
each
about the
island?
boats.
How long will we stay for?
Okay. In each in each destination, we only give you 30 minutes. In 30 minutes to 1 hour. It depends if you guys are already done, you can just go in the boat. Then if you guys will complete, you can go to the next destination. Okay? Then, ano pa nga? And in each boat, since it's just the 2 of us and we have 10 boats, there's only 2 boats that we will be there. So, once you have concern and you wanted to tell me, just wait for us to reach there, okay? The boatman, the boat crew don't know anything about our service, like our system, okay? So what will happen, anything that you need to know, anything that you want to raise, just come through us, okay? Okay guys?
isa sa kanila.
And those people that haven't paid
No.
for the island hopping, we will just collect it after our island hopping activity, okay? And also, I just want to raise awareness for those people who is not used to swim in the ocean or seawater. Just please secure yourself with life vest, okay? So that we will just enjoy this vacation and we will not meet any unexpected, you know. I hope nothing will happen. It's just all good. So, any questions? Clarifications?
Lunch. What time tayo lunch?
Lunch, our lunch will be after our island hopping activity. So, just go to the boat where you ride in...
Tayo. Kasi iwala yung place.
Wait. Huh?
Iwala. Kasi yung unserved.
Talaga yung tanong, kain talaga.
Okay, so for the boat arrangement, we have list. We will just call your name one by one.
By vans, guys.
By van, guys.
Remember your van numbers.
Yeah, so if you know who are the people you are with in the van, just come and group like
Guys, so ito yung first stop namin, yung Ungab Rock Formation. Dito yan located sa barangay Mongpong, Santa Cruz, Marinduque. So yan yung itsura niya. Yan. So yung rock formation na yan parang ala El Nido. Parang El Nido Palawan ang datingan. Ganda, oh. Nakahati siya sa gitna. Ngayon, kasi siya high tide. So may tubig siya ngayon. Yan. Pwedeng maligo. Ayan, maganda maligo kasi malilim. May shade ka para sa araw. Yan. Pero pag low tide siya, sobrang baba niyan, pwede mong lakarin na lang. Yan. So ayan, ito yung mga guests. Maraming turista ngayon dito sa Marinduque. Yan. So ayan. Enjoy lang kami dito. Pwede mag-picture dito. Video reels. My day. Pwede maganda rin dito. And yun, enjoy lang namin tong view guys. And mamaya, second stop naman tayo. Bye!
Let's go swimming. Dito tayo sa Ungab Rock Formation.
First beach namin for 2026 with Malalab.
tumatalon. Eh, no. Hindi naman tumatalon.
Lalabs kayo na, koy.
Hello, may salbabida.
Kumukunin kayo sa bumida.
Ba't na sa akin nakaharap yan?
Ano lang yung transformation. Sound check tayo. Ano naman siya, guys. So yung kasalukuyan na as of 8 p.m. sandbar dito sa Maniwaya. So ito pala yung barangay Bogpong, Santa Cruz, Marinduque. So ito yung sandbar. Libot ko lang kayo, guys. Kami naliligo. Sige, enjoy. Kasi malamig yung tubig. Hello, love! Galing ako sa dulo.
Hala, ako na doon.
Hindi si Mala. Matala ako din sa kabila. Yung bangka namin. Ayan si Agila. Grabe, linis ang tubig. Kaya may talit.
Ayun, ganyan na.
Tama pa picture, video. Ganda dito.
Yan yung video. 1, 2, 3.
Lumayo kayo Para wala masyadong tao Grabe, linis no? Malamig nga Kasama namin ito bangka. Ayan. Ito, nakaharang nga yung bangka dito. Pero yun, ang gandong pa. Okay. So yun lang guys, yun lang ang update dito sa may sandbar. Tara, liligo na uli ako. Punta ko na uli si Mala. Bye guys. Sarap, lamig. Snorkeling area here in Maniwaya. Yan. Lalabs. Olangin na lalabs.
lang kung ano pumatong ako sa parang ganun. Sa... Ay, sa... Be, naka na yung ano gagawin mo. Yan, oo, yan o. Guys, sa ginawa ni Kuya, oh. Oh, yan! Nahirapan ka dyan. Nahirapan ka dyan, oh. Oh, saan na yan? Kaya din bumabang yan. Laki mo. Pinapakain. Ay, wala na. Nasa likod mo. Ano?
Good. Fish feeding. Buti pa yung isda kumain na kami, hindi pa kami kumakain ng lunch. Okay. May video ka na malab.
Ayan.
Morning. So it's around 8:32 in the morning. So it's our day 2
We are.
here in Maniwaya. So breakfast muna kami. Then check natin yung activity. Kung kaya ng land tour, Baya Habal, or dito na lang tayo sa beach. Ligo-ligo na lang lahat. May kayak pala ako nakita.
May
Mamaya magkakayak tayo. Ano yung malal? Yun yung mga activity na pwede natin gawin dito. So, breakfast namin, sunny side up egg, luncheon meat, longganisa, and hot dog.
Okay,
And
let's
also,
eat.
coffee. Tara, kain na tayo. Let's eat.
Grabe, white sand, blue beach. Morning guys, so it's our day 2 here in Maniwaya Island. So nagplan kami ni Malalab sa mag-snorkeling. Check out the Maniwaya Island. So
Chill vibes.
Chill vibes.
It's
10:06. It's around 10:06 in the morning.
Good Friday.
Good Friday.
Muni-muni tayo and
Yes.
and reflect.
Reflect. Mamaya kami mag-reflect. Mag-enjoy muna kami for this time. Snorkeling muna kami. Okay. Bye guys.
tayo. The bulls are here.
Yung part po.
Buyabud.
Guys, so we're here in Buyabud Port. So check natin yung Moriones Festival nila dito.
Sa Santa Cruz.
Santa Cruz.
Marinduque.
So it's a 45 minutes boat ride. Then sakay tayo ng tricycle.
Papunta ng Santa Cruz.
Santa Cruz na tayo. Pupunta na tayo ng Santa Cruz. Let's go!
Nasa Santa Cruz tayo.
Guys, nandito pala ako sa Moriones. Position to dito sa Marinduque.
Ayan. Hi. Pasipan. Yan. Okay.
Ako yung bata. Ano ba ganito? Yung maganda yun.
morning guys. So it's our day 4 here in Maniwaya Island. So andito pa rin kami sa Wawis Beach. As you can see, yan ang Wawis bangka. So ganda ng gising namin at exact 6 a.m. 6:16 na ngayon. Walking lang kami dito sa front beach. Then explore lang namin hanggang dito sa may likod, bandang likod ng island. And pakita lang namin kung ano makikita dito sa Maniwaya Island.
Let's go.
Let's go guys! Morning! Okay tayo. Day 4 breakfast. So we have here sunny side up egg, bolognese, embutido, and hot dog, 3 pieces, and ketchup. Match. So it's our day 4. This is status here in Wawis Beach. Okay. Guys, tara. Samahan niyo ako. Dito pala kami sa
Girasoles
Girasoles
Farm.
Flower Farm. Ayan.
Lapit ka dito.
Sunflower Farm. Dito sa Candelaria, Laguna. Candelaria, Quezon, Laguna.
Welcome to Girasoles Farm. So, side trip pala namin to.
This is our last stop for our Maniwaya trip. So kasama na to dun sa tour package namin. Yep.
Sa daming sunflower, as you can see. Ayan.
Dito kami ngayon sa palibot ng sunflower.
So, check out the view and pwede pong pumunta dito. May entrance fee lang na 100 pesos.
Yes, 100
If you want.
per person.
This is located here in Candelaria, Quezon.
Candelaria.
Yan. Diversion. Okay. So, enjoy!
Bye guys!
Bye!